I'm so glad that Finance and Banking Forum approached me for Lockdown Diaries. So yeah, let's begin with the questions. During the free time, I have learned a lot of choreographies, wrote some free verses, and I also got back to reading a lot of books, only knowledgeable this time. One thing that I have learned from both of my parents is to keep the calm. I need to keep my calm in every situation. Whatever happens, the solution will always be there. The bestest thing that happened in lockdown is I got to come stay at home, spend time with my family, learn a lot more things, got back to my old habits and have ghar ka khana. Once this all ends, I want to go back to Pune firstly. I want to go to college, I want to meet my friends, I want to go to a favorite cafe, and I want to go to Vaishali. I want to party. There is a lot more things. I just wish the situations become normal so soon, pretty soon. Getting a job in current situation even before coronavirus was not easy, but now the competition has become cutthroat. We all need to find that extraordinary skill within us, explore it, exploit it, and make the recruiters choose us. There is no such specific proud moment for me, but when we were to give SIP presentations, I was so nervous at how am I gonna do it, because I am not good at giving presentations. But once I was done and it was really good, which I felt from within, and even the faculty in charge appreciated me. Getting to certifications, I have done certification in behavioral finance thanks to Coursera. I have also completed my certification in MS Excel, and before the September ends, I have shortlisted many such certifications from Coursera which I am planning to complete. About internship, I got selected in the Leading Solutions, which is based in Delhi, and we learned a lot more about investing channels, about some of the taxation acts which are there in income tax. We also brushed up our presentation skills and soft skills. So yeah, overall it was a good experience. For juniors, I would like to say that don't pressurize yourselves. There is literally no need of it. Do everything you want to do anything you want to do. There are a lot of forums, a lot of clubs. Be a part of everything you want to. Don't ever think what your friends will think, because ultimately it will add to your experience. And I would just like to thank MIT for a collection of memories, fun, friends it has given to me, and the knowledge which we have grabbed through rural immersion, through industrial visits, through all the live group discussions. It was just a lot of fun with it. And for juniors, we all are always there for you. So yeah, that's just it. Thank you.